E-transportation and sustainable energy solutions are taking over the world at an electric pace. The amount of e-buses alone is estimated to grow up to 25 million by the year 2040. The main source of energy for these noiseless and pollution-free vehicles are lithium-ion batteries. Therefore, taking special care of the batteries is of utmost importance. And that is where Akkurate Diagnose comes in. Diagnose accurately monitors the entire battery fleet from one place, even if the batteries come from different manufacturers. It helps you monitor, compare and optimize the operation of the entire battery fleet, even on a cellular level, ensuring a longer life for your batteries. Diagnose's patented technology could potentially detect and warn you about short circuits in advance. You are also notified about the battery's degrading health if and when it operates under unsuitable conditions, potentially saving the battery and protecting its warranty. And eventually, when the battery has lived its life, Diagnose detects any working modules that can be recycled to give the battery a second life. This further saves as well as makes you money. Diagnose, powered by Akkurate.